In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add Facebook pixel to Wix website. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Wix account. That's what I'm going to do right now. And after that, guys, you want to find where it says marketing here in the left, as you can see here, marketing. Click on that and click on marketing home. Okay, now after that, guys, you need to scroll down. Just keep scrolling. You will find a bunch of features here. Now you just need to scroll down and keep scrolling until you find the section where it says here all marketing and tools. Now you'll find a few different options here, including email marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads. Now what you guys need to do, well, it says marketing integrations. Now get insights on site traffic, visitors and behavior and more. That's what you need to click. That's what you're gonna need to, that's why you need to click, guys. That's the marketing integration. Click on that. And after that, guys, as you can see here, you will find here meta pixel. Now you want to click on connect. Okay, and after you click on connect, as you can see, it will it says here upgrade your site with premium in order to connect to pixel to meta pixel. Now that's what you need to do, guys. First is to upgrade to premium if you haven't upgraded yet, and after that it will show you guys steps exactly how you can connect Facebook pixel. Now it's a guide for me because I'm not paying for the premium plan. That's exactly why it's not clickable here. Now after that, you just need to verify your domain on Facebook. As you can see, the domain on Facebook, and then choose events to track and add them to your site. Now after you click on connect Facebook, you want to go to your Facebook ads manager, and find there the pixel ID. Okay, so just start now. Now you just need to find your pixel ID and then copy that pixel ID. Okay, and then you want to paste it here, okay, where you click on connect to Facebook. Now if you are not paying for the subscription, if you don't know, guys, how to find your pixel ID on Facebook ad manager, just search on Google how to find pixel ID. You will find a bunch of videos about that. It's very simple and easy. I'm just because my account is blocked for no reason. I don't know exactly why they blocked this account, so I'm not allowed really to show you guys how you can find your ID. As you can see, add set ID here. Now you just need to find your pixel ID and paste it here. That's it exactly, guys. That's how you can add Facebook pixel to Wix. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.